Alright, cheers and let's get started. What's up guys, it's your boy Kwame here, and today the topic that I'm going to be going through with you is how to lose body fat fast. Now this is one of the most searched topics on the internet, and it's also one of the most requested by you guys. So I thought, look, I'm gonna make a video that could benefit you. But at the end of this video, I want you guys to decide if it's something that you want to do. I'm going to explain to you the benefits of losing fat fast as well as the negatives. So like anything in life, there's always a positive and negative. It's not always smooth sailing as you guys might think it is, okay? So losing body fat fast, I'm not saying it's healthy, but I'm also going to teach you how to lose body fat fast. And I hope by the end of this video, you guys would have learned. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment and subscribe, support me so I can make more videos like this. If you enjoy this, guys, talk to me. Let me know in the comments below what you want to see more of, because I'm going to make content for you guys. So stay with me till the end and let's get started. I'm going to break this down to you guys also very, very simple so it's easy to understand. Now let's get started. When it comes to losing body fat, I'm going to always ask questions as well too, so I hope it helps you guys. Let's get started. When it comes to losing body fat, how do we lose body fat? Now, the first thing you have to take into consideration is whatever you put into your body, you have to burn a little bit more. So your body goes into the stored fat and takes that away. So we gotta first understand the principle of losing body fat. Okay, now assuming everything in your body is working the right way, your body is functioning properly, and you are a healthy human, you should be able to lose body fat by being in something called a caloric deficit. So essentially what a caloric deficit is what I just talked about. Basically everything you put into your body, you want to get rid of it by burning it off and a little bit more. Okay, so let's talk about a maintenance first. So for you to be able to understand how to actually lose body fat, you have to learn what maintenance is. Now maintenance basically is exactly what it is: maintaining your body weight or body mass. Okay, now basically what that is you are essentially burning off all that fat, or sorry, maintenance is essentially, now when it comes to maintenance, all you're basically doing is you are burning off everything that you put into your body. So your body is at a stable point. You're not storing any body fat or you're not losing, okay? Now, if we want to lose body fat, that means we have to go below the maintenance level, okay? So I'm gonna make this easy for you guys to understand. Imagine this is our body, okay? We are the stable position, okay? This is a straight line. I'll assume this is a straight line, but okay? Now this is energy in, and this is energy out. So energy in, this means food. This is food. This is energy out. This is us when we do activities. We do weights training. We do cardio. Okay. Now, if we have a balance in, we're burning the same amount. So if our food here is exactly the same as how much we're training, then we're gonna stay at this maintenance level, which is a straight line. Now, if we end up eating more than we're burning, so this food is becoming more than we're burning, okay, our weight is gonna go up. So we can store body fat, we can also build muscle in this place, okay? So eating more will go up. Now eating less than we actually burning, we're gonna go down. Now this is just assuming you're a healthy human, okay? So when it comes to losing body fat, you want to be in a certain deficit. Now averagely they will say about 250 to 500 calories deficit will be ideal to be losing about 2 pounds per week. So this is just a number, guys. Everyone is different, and again, it just depends on your body and how your body works. And I'm saying this assuming a healthy human, okay? So we're here and we want to lose body weight or body fat fast, okay? So we don't want to just go here, we want to go here, okay, in a short period of time. And I'm using this as an analogy so you guys can understand. We're over here and we don't want to be losing body fat like this, so just small little amounts, okay? We want to go very, very quickly, okay? So how do we do that? And this is what I'm going to be teaching you through this video, and I hope you guys are staying with me and following me, because I want to help you guys as much as possible to get as much knowledge so you guys can make the decisions for yourself as to if you want to lose body fat fast or if you want to lose it steadily. Now, there's advantages to both. When it comes to losing body fat first, I'm going to teach you how to lose body fat fast, okay? Then we'll go into advantages and disadvantages. Now, when it comes to losing body fat fast, okay, this is the first thing is creating more of a deficit, okay? So deficit means you are actually eating less. So this is our food here. Remember that, guys? Our food here, we're eating less than the energy that is basically being put in. Or we could have more activity or more energy that we're burning in our body, okay? If we have more energy, this goes down as well. Our body weight goes down, okay? If we have more food, our body weight goes up. If we have less food, our body weight goes down, okay? So, food, energy. Again, I just want it to be easy for you guys to understand. And I want you guys to keep this in your head. Food goes down, and the overall body weight goes down. However, energy goes down, overall body weight goes up. So these are opposites, okay? If the food goes up, overall body weight goes up. Assuming these are still the same. If the energy goes up, overall body weight goes down. Brilliant. Now, how do we speed up or lose body weight faster? Very easy. Energy can either go through the roof. Energy goes through the roof, which means energy goes very high. And we lose body fat a lot faster because we are going to be burning so much. Or food goes down a lot. So you start to lose body fat quicker. Now, I'm not saying this is healthy. Again, I'm just teaching you how to lose body fat fast. I'm not saying anyone should try this. I'm trying to put out the knowledge out there and something that's very objective, not subjective. This is not my opinion. This is just what it is. This is science, okay? So I'm not saying to anyone to go do this. I'm just telling you how it works, okay? Now, there's advantages and disadvantages of doing this, okay? Now, if you want to lose body fat fast, so let's say I wanted to drop 10 kilos fast and I dropped my calories, I was like in a 600-700 calorie deficit. So I was going very, very low quickly, and we'll start with food first, okay? So I dropped my calories like 600-700 calories lower than my maintenance, okay? And I want to use myself as an example, so that way it's easier to understand. So let's say my maintenance is 2,000 calories, okay? And I decided to go on to 1,400 calories to drop my weight. I'm going to start dropping weight very quickly because that's a 600 calorie deficit, okay? So I'm going to be very quick. Now, there's something about the body, okay? The body has something called homeostasis. In short, what homeostasis is your body tries to do anything to get back to like an equal balance so your body can work well. Now, when you are losing body fat in this time or you're losing weight in this time, your body is like, look, I'm losing weight. This is not normal for me, okay? I need everything to work properly. So over time, what happens is you've got your basal metabolic rate, which is basically how much your body needs just to move, just to function, just to live, okay? That's your basal metabolic rate. Your body just needs that to survive, okay? That's how much energy your body should be putting in, okay? Now, if we just say to ourselves, look, we are gonna drop our calories down, okay? Your maintenance levels, let's say my maintenance was at 2,000. Eventually, your maintenance is also going to drop if you're in a deficit for a long period of time. So if I stay in this low point for a long period of time, my maintenance level is also going to drop. So originally I started at 2,000 calories, okay? I'm dropping weight, then I hit a plateau, okay? I hit that plateau here. Now, my maintenance is going to be 1,400 calories eventually. It's going to take time for my body to adjust, but eventually my maintenance is going to catch up, my metabolism. And for your body to do that, what's going to happen? It's a penalty. You got to take something. It's not just, oh yeah, my metabolism is slowing down. No, it doesn't work that way. What happens, guys, is it's gonna pay, your body's gonna pay the dues, and what it's gonna sacrifice is your energy. You know, you're gonna start to feel tired. You know, you're gonna start to, like, everything, your energy levels in the day, your fuel is gonna go down, and you need that. Okay, so this is losing body fat fast. These are some of the disadvantages of it. Okay, now let me talk about some of the advantages. The reason you're actually watching the video is actually is the advantage, because most of the time people want to lose weight fast because they've got their physique goals, or they've got a wedding to go to, or they've got something that they've got commitments, and they're like, look, I want to be in good shape, I want to feel good about myself, whatever it is. So like I said, everything has advantages. So you got to weigh in, is that short-term goal worth it for to lose weight fast, and have the other disadvantages, like it could potentially pose health risks as well for you. And now that your maintenance it becomes low to 1400 calories, okay, you have to do something called a reverse diet, or rebuild your metabolism over time. So you got to get back up here again. Okay, now this takes time, so this also requires structure. If you can't do that, and you're like, look, I'm just gonna jump back into eating 2000, you are most likely going to put on more weight. And if your body takes longer to adjust back to maintenance, what is even gonna happen is you might end up actually putting on more weight than you did when you started. So that is another big disadvantage of losing weight fast. Like I said, I'm pretty transparent with you guys, so I'd rather tell you how it is. I'm not gonna come here and tell you, look, lose weight fast is the best way for you. No, I tell you the disadvantages, and I tell you the advantages, and you guys make the decisions for yourselves, because again, we're all adults here, or there might be kids watching, but I'm not gonna say to you guys what to do for yourselves. I'm gonna give you the knowledge, and you can apply it, because I don't manipulate people. I want you guys to actually do what is good for you. Okay, so that's it for losing weight quick, guys, and those are some of the advantages and disadvantages of it. I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. I hope you guys came to a decision as to, do you want to lose weight fast, or do you want to lose it slower? And in my next video, I'm going to talk about the advantages of losing weight steadily. So stay tuned. Make sure you hit that like button, comment, subscribe, because there's so much knowledge bombs that's going to be dropping. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate your time. Much love and respect. Your boy is out. Peace.